I am Dr. Alexis Davis-Hazell from the University of Alabama.
I am Dr. Rosalyn Wright Floyd from Augusta University in Augusta, Georgia. We are so happy and excited to present to you 2 sessions at this summer workshop in San Diego. The first of these sessions will be informational, and it is called Uncommon Gems. And we will be talking about spiritual arrangements by composers that you may not know as well as the standard composers. We are focusing in on those newer composers such as Dave Ragland and Shauna Pebolo, living composers such as U.Z. Brown and Roland Carter, and of course, our own specialty, African-American women composers.
And the second session will be an interactive masterclass. And what do we mean by that? Not only will we be working with singer and pianist teams who sign up to perform any spiritual that you know, so it won't be limited to newer composers or lesser known. Bring anything that you have prepared. We'll work with you, but we'll also make it interactive for the entire group of participants. So we'll be trying things together when it comes to dialect and diction. We'll be trying things together in terms of execution of the spiritual. So this is focused on how to present a respectful and informed and accurate interpretation of the spiritual. So come hang out with us, come for jokes, come to learn. We're gonna look forward to seeing y'all there. Bye.
Bye.